Hello friends, welcome to the channel Financial Pathshala. Few of our friends requested for English version of this top-up loan. So here it is. In this particular loan, top-up loan, we will discuss eligibility, purpose, how we reach at maximum tenure, maximum amount, rate of interest, whether you are eligible for free insurance or not, whether Bank of India is offering foreclosure in this or not. So let's get started. See, for eligibility, all existing individual home loan borrowers who have completed 2 years as a home loan borrower in Bank of India are eligible for this. They can avail top-up loan, they can request for it. Second condition, valid and enforceable mortgage should be available. Means if the property is under construction, particularly flats, they are not eligible. Since in flats, in the case of flat, the mortgage is not available. The registry has not taken place so far. So in under construction flat, the facility is not eligible. They are not eligible for this. Then comes, if they are running the same loan, any home loan in any NBFC or other banks, if they are interested to get taken over by Bank of India and they have completed 24 months of tenure there satisfactorily, then they are eligible on takeover. So this is the eligibility criteria. Now comes purpose. See, any bona fide purpose what they can avail, like education they can avail, marriage, any medical ground, any repayment of higher cost. Because bank is not asking for any proof, just a declaration would do. They can provide the bank with a declaration that the money they are requesting through top-up loan will not be utilized for any speculation purposes. So that is the only requirement. Then how the bank reach at quantum of loan? How much the bank can offer you? See, the criteria in this case is, suppose the market value of property, house in this case, if is rupees 1 crore at present, and the outstanding in housing loan is suppose is 5 lakhs. So since the 75% of the market value is permissible, provided the customer is having absolutely required net take home, means if all other conditions are satisfied, then if the outstanding in housing loan is 5 lakhs, then the maximum permissible top-up loan he can avail 70 lakhs. Let me emphasize on, like, all other conditions are satisfied, means his income is permissible, his income is permitting these deductions. If outstanding in housing loan is 10 lakh, then 65 lakh he can avail. If outstanding is 50 lakhs, he can avail 25 lakhs. Means total out of 1 crore of market value, he can have the total outstanding against this particular loan as 75 lakhs. If outstanding in housing loan is this much, as is mentioned in this picture, then the maximum permissible amount is also mentioned. So this is the thing. Then comes tenure. So let us discuss tenure here. The bank can offer you maximum 15 years as a tenure in this top-up loan. Since the residual term of underlying home loan is, suppose if you are having a residual term of your underlying home loan of 20 years, then the maximum tenure you can avail for 15 years only. If your term is left for 10 years, then the maximum bank can offer you 10 years or the requested by you. Means the lower of these three is the tenure which bank can offer you or you can avail for. Then comes rate of interest. Bank of India is offering 0.5% above, means 0.5% above our already running home loan rate of interest. If your home loan is if you availed your home loan or presently your home loan is running at 8%, then the top up is top up would be at 850, means 50 basis points above your already running home loan. And the PPC, as far as the PPC goes, proposal processing charges same as in home loan. Generally Bank of India charges 0.25% of the loan amount, or they are nil in festivals. As far as the salient features of this particular home loan is concerned, Bank of India is the only bank which covers home loan customers under free personal accidental insurance scheme. In this case, premium is paid by Bank of India and it is renewed on the discretion of the bank. But generally for the very long time, for the past many years, bank is paying the insurance premium for the benefit of the customers. In this case, personal accidental death is covered plus permanent total disability is covered. Means anything happens to the customer, then the bank gets the benefit of the policy, and the amount received from my insurance company is deposited into the loan account of the customer. Means it is total gain for the customer in this case. Then ROI, rate of interest, PPC is one of the lowest in the industry. So this is also a positive point. Then comes no foreclosure charges, no prepayment charges. Yes, Bank of India offers anytime foreclosure, anytime closure of the loan account during the tenure without any penalty, without any charges. Then comes prepayment. Customer can pay anytime n number of transactions, n number of installments in advance to this particular account, so that his loan burden is reduced to the amount deposited in advance. So these are the things. So this is a fantastic scheme as far as the home loan and as far as the top up loan is concerned. So one must take the benefit of the same. So this is the thing from my side. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.